In this video, I'll show you how to add an MCP server to Claude Desktop. The process is simple, so let's get started. First, open the Claude Desktop app. In the bottom left corner, click on your name and select Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Developer section. Here, you'll find an option called Edit Config. Click on it, and Claude will open the configuration file where you can add MCP servers. Open this file using any text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use Notepad or another editor if you prefer. Next, we need to find an MCP server to install. Open your browser and visit glama.ai, which has a large collection of MCP servers. You can browse the available servers or filter them by category. For example, you can select the Developer Tools category and choose an MCP server you want to use. Open the Servers page and scroll down until you find the installation instructions for Claude Desktop. You'll usually find a configuration code that you can copy. Copy the required configuration, then return to your Claude Desktop configuration file. Inside the configuration file, add the MCP server configuration in the appropriate MCP Servers section. Make sure you follow the installation instructions provided by that specific MCP server, because different MCP servers may require different settings, commands, or environment variables. Once you've added the configuration, save the file and close your text editor. Now, completely quit Claude Desktop. You can do this by right-clicking the Claude icon in the System tray and selecting Quit. After Claude has completely closed, launch the application again. Then go back to Settings, open Developer, and check the MCP Server section. If everything was configured correctly, you should now see your MCP server listed and running. And that's it. You've successfully added an MCP server to Claude Desktop. If you want to add more servers, simply return to Edit Config and follow the installation instructions for each additional MCP server. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Claude and AI tutorials.